Okay. Hello and welcome everyone. Welcome back to one of my series. We will be working on my game today. Let me just make sure everything is connected. Okay. This is good. I hope everything works. And session is started. Just a second. One second. What is this? This is even. Yeah, the stream is on. Just trying to see why I cannot see it. All right. Hello. Yeah. Okay. Now I can see it. My chat is on. All right. Hello and welcome for continuation of my streams. Today I will be showing. We will be trying to work, and this is gonna be very interesting stream because I'm going to be working on Pop MMA on my game. The reason why this is gonna be very strange stream is I am working today from home also. I am with my other job, so regular daily job. I am on call, so which means if something goes wrong with our production servers, I will be getting call and I would have to stop immediately my stream and take care of those issues. I hope those issues won't arise, but if it does, I just want you to know that that's something I have to do. I have to deal with. But you know, let's just hope that I won't have to deal with anything like that. Alrighty, so I am seeing already my... Oh, by the way, I changed my shadow. I'm not using any more shadow tech. Because they went crazy. They are asking for more money nowadays. It was $12 a month. Now they change it to, what is it nowadays? They are asking for $29 instead of 12, so 3 times more expensive. So what I did, I just decided to buy a gaming PC with the graphics card of RTX 2060, which is not the best, but you know, still not too bad either. And I'm remoting into that one now, and I'm running it from home. So right now I'm testing some stuff in here. So let me show you what I have added lately. So I have muted the music and everything because it's annoying, but I will be showing you something interesting right now.
Round 1. Fight.
Okay, let me trying to. Yeah. Okay, I hope you can see the screen. So what is going on here? So I added. All right, at this point, of course, you don't see the pictures and anything else, and I added a lot of time for testing reasons so the round doesn't end right away. Just letting you know. So now I added. For this left character, I added combination. So normally it's one hit. If I double click, it's gonna be 2 hits, and 3 clicks is 3 hits. Obviously, there is a lot of work because you can see things are in space. So it's 1, 2, and 3, right? And on the 3, I don't want to be like 1, 2. On the third one. So this is a combo. I want him to drop his opponent, right? So right now we got 1, 2, and 3, right? 1, 2, stop. So you can stop on the second combo. So 1, 2, right? And then 1.
You win.
Okay, damn it. Anyway, let me restart it again because I killed him. I killed the poor bastard.
Round 1.
Okay,
Fight.
so I'm coming, by the way, I'm playing with the joystick nowadays. I connected my joystick. It's more fun. So it's 1, 2, and 3. Voila. So on the third hit, I wanted to drop, pretty much, because if you're getting 3 punches, it makes sense to be dropped. One punch like this, not so much. This right hook, I'm gonna add little extra power to it, but I don't want him to drop his opponent, obviously. Something like this, where is it? Yeah. This could drop your opponent, which makes sense. But obviously, as you can see,
You win.
right now it's too strong. And those are the things I'm tweaking right now. Because before I move on to next characters and so on, I'm working on stuff like that. And actually, lately I was comparing my game with Tekken 7 actually, and I'm kind of proud of what I made. I mean, I'm not saying Tekken 7 is the best, but and also the slowness is too slow. Obviously, I'm gonna maybe take that out whatsoever, but there is still some work. So in Tekken 7, I'm comparing it because I just want to make sure to see how is my game against that game. And there is still some issues in my game, obviously. You see, like that part I have to fix. Like I'm going through my opponent sometimes, and those are like that one. So those collider issue, I have to solve it. And yeah, there is still a lot of things that I have to work on. Like look at this, like you see my opponent is going back too, which is those things I have to fix. But today, I want to do something else, actually. Today I'm going to be creating a punch, like a back fist hit, right? That's what I'm going to be working on. I was just going to show you that I created that punch. Then we have a lot of stuff like jump and hit. And then we have this punch, this low kick. And the low kick also has to be fixed because we hit and he's getting hit on his face. Not what we want. We want his leg to be hurt or something below. Punch is fine. This is fine. Anyways, so you see we have still a lot of work to do. High kick is fine. Yeah, so and then block. I don't have a block at this point. I have a trying to skip the hit, and for some reason it's connected to my other guy too, which is annoying. But that's not an issue. Those are little things we can fix. And you see my guy is not that fast doing it, and I'm gonna fix that as well. Maybe not today, I'm not sure, but I just want to show you what are the issues where we are working on. At this point we have 2 levels that are not finished yet. The ground looks like garbage. I know, guys, there's a lot of work, but first things first, my game is getting close. So what I'm trying to do here is pretty much just build the structure of the combos and hits first before I move on to other stuff. Okay, so now let me see my action script. Player 1. So this guy, why is this fire pit connected? Let me just, there you go, Zelim. Player 1, and then we have where is the script? So here we have player 1 action script. You see this C# script here is responsible for most attacks. And of course animation also. Here is the script. So let me open it. Let's see how we can add another punch system. Okay, here is the script, and I hope everybody can see. Let me actually make a full screen. So here is the main attack buttons. So we have fire 1 is heavy punch. Oh, I have to figure this light punch, heavy punch. So I have to figure out which buttons those are first, guys, before I move on. Sorry for that. Let me see. I'm trying to use X.
Round 1.
I'm just trying to use X, so that's a light kick button, right? So I want to use. Does that make sense though? No. I should do this. Yeah. No, you know what I'm gonna do? I don't want to use light kick button. I'm gonna use A. So like just regular jab. And if you push back, I want this dude to hit the back fist attack. So that's gonna be the fire one, in my opinion. So 1 second, let's open the script again. Voila. So we have the fire one, it's causing light punch. Okay, if fire one, this one is gonna happen. And light punch. Okay, so let's start with code, which is kind of weird approach, obviously. Let's do this here. So if input button down fire 1 is pushed, and so I'm creating a condition here that if you click only this is different story, but if this one, I don't know if this is gonna work, I hope it will. And then how do I do left? 1 second, I have to check my code, guys. So here is a combination for the 3-punch combo I created. So heavy moving, that's not it. I think it's horizontal something. Light punch combo return. Okay, so we have a freaking issue here because I think movement script, it's not here, obviously. Yeah, the movement script is not here, so this is only for buttons, not the movement, right? So for the movement, we have player 1 moves script, and here I'm handling the movement. Let me see how am I doing that. So horizontal, okay, that's pretty easy. So this one goes forward, I need the backward. So that would be if input is less than 0. Maybe this, but I have some can walk and cannot walk, which this logic actually is, yeah, but for us we don't really care, I guess, because it's just gonna be for as soon as we do that, and if that is clicked, I'm thinking aloud, guys. I know I'm crazy, but just, is it horizontal? Yeah. So let's try that and put this here. So basically, if we do fire 1 and then the input horizontal is -0, then we are entering here. What I'm gonna do here, I'm not gonna do any move at this point. Let's comment this out. Debug.log. So here we are going to do what is it called? I don't know how it's called. Back fist, I think, or something like that. I don't remember, just forgot the name of the hit. So back hit turn. Let me just call that. It's just, anyways, I don't care. I'm a human and I forget things. It's normal. Alright, so back fist, I think. Back fist or something. Anyways, so this one will let us know if the hit worked. Let's save this. let's go back to the script, and here we will be looking at the console whenever we click those two combined. Let's see if I'm even entering the code. That's how you do it, guys. So I hope it's gonna work.
Round 1. Fight.
Okay, so if I click back hit turn, yep, it works. Yeah, so back hit turn works. Wow, that was easier than I thought. So now let's go. Oh, what the hell am I doing? Okay. So let's go back to the script. So instead of just back hit turn, so here we just gonna have to put anim, set trigger, and whatever the name that thing has there. Okay, that's pretty easy, guys. I'm pretty surprised right now. I don't know if you can tell, but I am. Anyways, what we gonna do now? We have to enter but there is an issue, I guess. Yeah, there is a freaking issue here. Because I just realized that we have two sides of the screen. So it means that if this guy is on the left side, we have to use back button. But if he's on the right side, we have to use forward button. That's fine that I just realized that, actually, because otherwise it would take me later fix. So yeah, when you think things are too easy to be true, most likely it is like that. So now let's see, how are we handling the sides? That sucks, guys. Shit. But I have somewhere in the code a place where it is checking. I think it's in the moves scripts again. And somewhere we are checking which position he's on, facing left or facing right. You see, face left, face right. So somewhere here, walk speed. Sorry guys, I need to check this. So okay, so face left. Okay, that's not too shabby, that's not too bad, because we have a facing left and facing right in this script, which is player one moves script in this case. So we just need to check if this is false or true. So if it's facing left, so facing right is the standard position, and facing left is when he's on the other side. So based on those values, but I don't know if those values are static. Yes, they are, actually. Good job, Armin. Yeah, all right. So I need to fix those two. All right. And to do that, we need to go back to this action script. And here, I mean, if you don't understand what's going on, let me explain to you. So let me make a play so you understand what I'm talking about.
Round 1. Fight.
Look, so if I jump around this dude here, right now I'm facing left. Does that make sense? because my guy is looking to the left side where his opponent is. Here I'm facing right, because this is not really a 3-dimensional, it's called 2.5 dimensional game. So when I'm here, if I do back, my back button is gonna be different. It's pretty much forward button, because look, from here I'm moving forward, right? So when moving, I'm changing that, and he's turning the animation, so we don't care. So it's still, you push left and right. But, you know, look, if I click this to show you, I'm clicking same thing I was clicking before. It's not. But if I push forward and the button, okay, I think I screw up something. You see, back hit happens if you push forward, and that's not what we want. So I'm trying to fix that right now, which is not really that hard, but you know, you have to always consider those things. And it's sometimes, you know, it slips one of those, and then you like, why is something not working right? So what we need to do, obviously, here, I could put another if statement here and just do something. That would be better, because I don't want to, you know, start this script, go inside, and then make sure if it's, you know, and then do something. So what I want to do is I create an if statement here, and then I'll do something like this, and then I'll do else if like this, and then I'll do something like this. Okay. So we put this in the first option, and then else if is gonna be similar to this. But so what I want to do is player 1 moves that what the hell is the name, facing left. Okay, 1 second, let's do if it's facing right first. So it's facing right is true. So if facing right equals true, right, then we are doing this. Else if we have to copy this here. Now we turn this thing, it's higher than 0, because obviously we are going to other direction. But still we are using same button. But here, my friends, we are going to put player 1 moves dot, and then facing left equals true. So if we are facing right, this combination is gonna do us this, otherwise it's gonna do this. And this, my friends, should save the issue. So this one, let's do face turn facing left. I'm just gonna add little change in here so we can test it out. And you guys would be like, what the hell is he doing? Why am I working first from the code? Doesn't matter, guys. I want to see how the logic first works.
Round 1, fight.
Before moving on, you know. All right, now my guy is moving. Look, I'm trying to do back fist, and it says back hit turn. You see, right here, back hit turn. So I activated that. Now let's jump to the other side and do the same thing. You see, now it says back hit turn facing left works. Perfect. That's exactly what we needed. Now, obviously, life is beautiful and we were able to fix that. So what we're gonna do, we have to go to the animation controller, and first thing first, you see we have combat forward and combat back. So forward is the first So forward is same thing as facing right, and back is same thing as facing left. So that's how easy it is. But before we do that, actually, I got some new. Where the hell is that? Okay, I'm trying to see things, guys, but yeah, here it is. Kibi punches. So here I bought some nice animations, and I think I saw the back fist somewhere. Elbow, uppercut, and some, different back swing left. There you go. Yeah. Not what I need. Okay, this one is cool. Left T, 1 second. Well, I don't like the fact that he's moving so forward. Back swing. Yeah, well, this one is turning the other way around. I'm trying to find a correct one. Yeah, I don't like his movement, guys. So he's hitting first with the left hand. So no. What the hell is this? Well, you could use elbow too. I mean, but sometimes I'm going to do that. Uppercut. What's this? Oh, that's even better. Back fist round. Okay, left. There's 2 ones. All right, I think this one should be fine. All right, so what I'm gonna do, Control and D. Oh shit, I closed. That was not the correct combination. Am I Control D? Yeah. So here is our animation. Bow. The guy is turning. Now, I don't like this little bit, but we could play with it. We could definitely somehow. I don't like the fact that it's moving away. So we might need to fix this movement part. Because this guy is gonna move away from where he is, because there's gizmos to let you know. This is what I'm talking about. You see, this thing is my guy, so the animation, if moves away, then it's gonna be buggy. Because anyways, I mean, let's not worry about that first. Let's try to make this thing work, and then I mean, that's how you do game development. You don't fix everything right away, but just you want to keep it in mind. So baking position, feet, normally this should be 0.18 or something, little lower for some reason, and those are fine. And speed, whatever. Okay, now let's go to Zelim animation controller. Zelim, bum bum bum. So this is the normal side of things, and here is the forward attacks. This is the combo, light punching. Okay, since I'm using that light punching, well, I don't care about this actually, because do I care about this or not? Maybe I should come from this light punching to there, but not really, because I just need to worry about idle, I guess. So let's okay, let's just drop here the back fist thing right here, and I'm going to use this from any state pretty much. And the reason I'm putting it here, just back fist would be nice. And here also, let's change the name. Why the hell is this? 1 second. Yeah, I need to change the stupid name, guys. Just back fist is good enough for me. Yeah. So back fist, that's fine. Foot I key, right defaults, not. Nope. Alright, so is there any tags? Those have all attack tags, so let me put that too. I don't think really that I'm using that anywhere or so, but so from any state I could. Why is this not working? Let me go to here. Where is my back fist? Yeah, so this guy should be fighting idle. Yeah, so this should come from fighting idle. I guess. Yeah, I think from idle. 1 second actually. Let me delete this. I don't even. Can we? I'm trying to figure things out, guys. I'm new with Unity, so don't blame me if something doesn't work. How the hell do I delete this shit? Yeah. Is there a way? Yeah. So let me try something else. Actually, I'm just gonna do from any state. But I don't know why the hell I cannot connect to those guys. I think, oh, that's why. This is the way. So I could call this from any state. That would be nice. Why not? Why should I even care about? Yeah. Let's just do it like from any state. We call this but then it has to go back to, I guess, fighting idle, right? So where the hell is the preview? Yeah, so pretty much you hit like that and then you go back. Yeah, obviously that movement part we will have to modify a little bit things, and I'll show you in a bit how we are gonna take care of that. But that's my plan, and I would put this guy in here. This is just pretty much, again, I'm just trying to keep this thing nice, if that makes sense. So I just put black back fist right here. Now back fist. 1 second. So we have here light punching 2, attack, hook punch. Yeah. Light punching. Is this the one? Or there is something like. Okay, so there has to be a trigger. Okay, that's why. Yeah, I need to add a trigger now. Calling it back fist. Okay. Actually, what is the back fist on the second layer? Oh, that doesn't matter, I guess. Yeah. Trying to figure some things. So there is a back fist parameter here, and I am trying to use that. So if you click here, there is like conditions. Let's say heavy punching, right? Where the hell do we put that? I'm trying to remember things, guys, but when I'm getting called in the back fist. What is this? Head react. I don't remember how I was doing this, guys. It's so annoying. Yeah, I think I remember now. So light punching combo has to be true. In this case, I'm using a, yeah, when you go from anywhere to there, so there has to be a connection that you want this thing to activate. So here is heavy punching condition. So here I have to add the back fist condition. So the back fist trigger has to be activated. Yeah, finally I figured out. Sorry guys. I mean, sometimes I forget stuff like that. I'm gonna put this here actually. Anyways, now let's go back to our script. So here, and this one, let's just keep it as it is because this is the other side, but this guy should work now. So back fist. If you trigger this animation, is you setting the triggered back fist, so this automatically triggers the movement. So now let's save this and go back here, and now let's go to the scene and click on gameplay. Let's test it out.
Round 1. Fight.
And it might look like garbage at first. There you go. Haha. Swing. Beautiful. I like it, guys. Left hand swinging there, and then, well, I don't like the hand. It's a little too high, especially if you're fighting against the lower guy. You see, this is what I'm talking about. Oh, and you see he's entering, going a little farther. So, but that's just the animation issue, and also he's a little higher than we would expect, and the hit takes too long. The whole thing goes too fast and too long, and he's going too fast and too far away. But the good news is now it freaking works. Sweet. So if I do the same thing here, you see it doesn't work because we haven't added the other side yet. So let's do. Okay, let me take these gizmos out for now. So I'm like, what's up? What's up? I like it. I don't know. I like it. It's and the reason why I was saying it's bad, let me show you why I'm saying it's bad. So you see this gizmo here is pretty much where you connect a hit, which I'm maybe gonna change in the future. So whoosh, you see he's coming out of there. So if I would get out of there and someone smacks me, that's gonna be bad. But it looks pretty okay, in my opinion. But that's why I just wanna turn back and hit in place, and then we could put a little bit going forward movement or something like that. But generally speaking, the back fist works. Now, before we do something else, I'm going to introduce you to some nice tool I just bought lately. I bought this some time ago. So we have here the back fist, right? Yeah. So obviously we need to change a few things because we want to do, maybe let's fix first the movement part. And I've done this a few times. If I'm screwing sometimes up things, guys, it's just, please have understanding. I'm just a human, that I'm new in game development, so if something is bad, my bad, guys. Just I hope you don't learn the bad way. Let's find the back fist attack, which is this thing. Look, swing. All let's make this shorter or smaller, whatever. Yeah. Now let's play this. He's turning back nicely, and he's ready. So first thing first, we see after he's moving, and before he gets back, we don't want to spend all this long of he's getting like, no, we just want to all the way here, and I would say here the max. Why? Because after that there is gonna be some transitions. So let's delete those keys. So now we have swing, swing, swing. That's pretty much what we're interested in. And also, yeah, he's moving away from his place. So we need to figure a way out to delete the movement. I think foot Q or something. Let me see this. Actually, I was checking how this. I fixed this one time. Is it position? Maybe 1 second. I'm still trying stuff. So Q X Z Y. So that's the one, X. I think this guy. What if we delete this key? Can we do that? Yeah. Ah shit, why did I click play? God damn it. Sorry guys. So what the hell just happened? Yeah. So let's go back to the back fist and play again. Alright, so I think I deleted the wrong thing because he's still moving. So X, Y, and Z, W. Okay, what is this? Let me just delete the whole this goddamn thing. Can we do that? Remove the properties. There you go. Oh, okay, so now I screw up the whole thing. Control Z and let's see again. So, oh shit. I'm trying to figure out a way to delete the movement part so he stays in his place. I've done it a few times, but to be honest, I don't remember how the hell did I do that. So let me kick back fist. Alright, so no man, where the hell is that? So right now it's, yeah, right now it's good, but he's moving. And this dude is moving laterally. Let me try something. So he's moving to other side and forward. You see, this is his location. He's moving towards there and there. So Y2. How the hell was I doing that, huh? Left arm, this. Something with position though. So the QY, Y is going up, I guess, or Z, and Z is this one, and X is this one, I believe. So Let me see this. Left hand. I think it was on his spine or something. Root Q. Maybe this one. Spine. Yeah. So if we come here, no, this is just a movement. Well, it's not easy to figure out. I think it's one of those bastards, but I don't know what's the difference between Q and T. So maybe let's try to delete those and then play again. Okay. So he's still turning. Okay, let's see. How about this model? Okay. How about now? Okay, he's still turning. TZ. Alright, I got it, guys. This is it. See, he's doing it on his. So I just that was the root T1. So I delete that thing, and now he's actually doing a nice job. He's right where he's at. So we don't want him to walk forward, because again, that's killing us.
Round 1.
So let's test
Fight.
it. Let me put those gizmos off, and then Pato, what's up? Yeah, well, that's pretty nice. So just like, obviously we need a little bit more. You see his footwork is going up, so we need to fix that. So, but that's an easy one. So let me where is the back fist? Here. So here is his footwork. Let's make it 20. Okay. And now, while it's still playing, we can test it and make sure his feet stays on the ground. It's still a little bit up. Let's do 20. Let's say 22. Yeah. Yeah, now it's going in the ground, so let's make 21. All right, 21 is like his leg is still pissing me off a little bit. So the reason for that is right feet is kind of weird in the end. So you see he's like it's still going in the ground. That one is okay because you don't see that at that point. And this is the reason this guy is annoying. So his right foot, or left foot actually, stays too high at the end. Okay, so to fix that, well, this one is kind of annoying, but we can fix it obviously. Let's see if I can fix it from here without any tools. So left foot up, down. Okay. Well, that's not the one. Foot twist in and out, left lower leg stretch, maybe. Nope. So it's gonna be, that's not it. Left upper leg, something with the leg, guys. Alrighty, there you go. Okay, so right now his leg is here, right? So what I'm gonna do, you click on this red thing, there you go, and stop. And if we go back, and as you can see here, we still can make this. Okay, now stop this, play again. Well, looks pretty alright. It's at least lower, so it's not gonna piss us off. So now, let's just stop the preview and try again. Well, I still see that goddamn leg. So, goddamn. Alright, let's see. So his leg is still too high, because right here, guys, somewhere in, let me fix it from here. Okay. So you see, it's pushing his stupid leg high. Now it's lower, and here it goes up. And you don't want to go too crazy with this, guys, because if you do, you see like glittery. It's very bad effect if you go to, if you change those values to drastical, you will definitely see some glitch looking, like, you know, goes up and down too quick. So you want to avoid that normally. So yeah. So what you could do is you fix this position here. Let me actually do that. So here it's pretty okay, and then from here on you find those keys. It's actually better practice. Just shift, 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 and shift, and then you leave the last one. So look at now. Okay, now you see it's lower, his feet, and it looks more natural. So sometimes it's a good idea to cut those keyframes in between. Took me some time to understand that, but wow, you see? While he's turning, there is still a little bit in the air, but that's kind of okay, because that's natural. You don't want to like drag it, your foot on the ground, because you lose your balance when you do that. Oh, you can't even do it while you jump. That's because I put in all states, which is bad, I think. You don't want to be able to do that while you're jumping. Yeah. So you see, that's how you find some other stuff to fix. So let's save this for now. And while jumping, I'm doing it, and that's pissing me off. And the reason for that, I think I know the reason. Let's go back to the animation controller, and I'll explain to you why. The reason we're getting that is this. So any state, so even if you're jumping, you whatever, so just let's take this out. So this guy. Let's put it back here, and I'll explain you why. So we're going to, let's see, yeah. So I'm gonna make a transition from here to that guy, and then I'm gonna put the trigger, which is back fist, and then why I'm doing this, guys, because again, I don't want this to happen just when you jumping. So you know, while jumping you cannot do that. So only way you can do that is when you are in idle state. So you move the transition from idle state to there and back, and that's what I want. So now I shouldn't be able to trigger that
fight.
While jumping. You see, while jumping. Okay, 1 second, because I'm not able to trigger that whatsoever. And that's a problem. Why am I not able to trigger that? That's weird. That's crazy, guys. Always something, something. Let me check this thing. Normally when you click that, I should see like connection going to this thing.
Round 1, fight.
Okay, I screwed something up. What, 1 second, what was that? Yeah, he did it. Oh. Something is wrong, but he's doing it, but very late. Let me see why. Maybe because it has exit time. Alright, so now he's not doing while jumping. But maybe that's the reason, because it has exit time. I don't know. So let me see. Yeah, now it's obviously gonna break. Let's fix that. So the first one has exit time. I took it out. So it takes a while for it to jump, because I think it's the transition issue. You see, I have to wait for this whole thing. I don't want that. I want this immediately, as soon as I'm calling almost. Let's try now. Well, I don't like this, to be honest. Sucks. Yeah, you know what? Whatever, I'm gonna do this differently. I just don't like the experience at this point. So let me go here and I just don't like this. There you go. This one can stay, but I like this one more. and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do, because this one was looking nicer, let's admit, because this one was quicker and it's something I'm looking for. The other one, because it has too many animations in between, it's definitely not so fun. Okay, I was jumping and then
Round
doing
one. Fight.
it. There you go, right away, bam. Even when you jump, you're doing it, right? So left and tau. So there you go. This one is nice. So what I'm gonna do, this one is quicker, and I can later on, after, of course, I'm gonna make even more quick. But what I like about this is just how it's taken care of. Now, so what I'm gonna do, let's go to the script, because script can save you things like that. Look at this. So I think in the move script we have something jump, something with jumping. I don't know where the hell it is, in action or in the script. There you go. Here's a jump. It's jumping. You see? So I could do like, if is jumping equals true, I have a variable that says whenever I'm jumping, it says like it's jumping. So it's right here, but it's just a boolean. And that's the, I don't know if I could access that without being it static. But we could try. So here, if we could do just player one moves, that is jump. I don't think I can access this, but if I need to, I could always change that to a static one. So, oh shit, sorry for that. This thing is pissing me off. Just copy that, you bastard. Alright, it's jumping. Paste. Why the hell is it copying the whole thing? There you go. So if is jumping equals false, that's the only way. So whenever this guy is not freaking jumping, then we can do this. Does that make sense? I guess it does, at least for me. All right, let's see. So I'm saving the script. Now I will get an error. That's my guess. It's not static, this, that. Can I play this? There you go. I knew it. It says is jumping is inaccessible due to its protection level. So I was right. So I would have to change this bastard in movies is jumping bool to static bool, because if you want to access from somewhere else, it has to be a static, based on, I think Unity works like that. But should it be public then? No, I don't think it has to be public. I think private would work too. But yeah, let's test it out. Maybe I need to turn it into public. Yeah. God damn it. So why am I keep clicking this shit? Okay. It's jumping. So let me actually. Maybe it's not because of the static, but because it's not public. That's why. Let me check. Do I have a compiler issues now? Yeah. Yeah, it says non-static. Yeah, that's why. So I was right, but it had to be static and public, which is kind of weird. I mean, you know, it's not weird, it's Unity way. The public only won't give you access. Alright, whatever. So now...
Round one. Fight.
Now let's test this bastard out. So, this one, good. You see, when I'm jumping, it's not doing it anymore, because if jumping is, it's still doing it from any state. What? It did it, guys. It freaking did it. So back fist. Pow. Pow. Jump. Come on, bro. So I think when you jump backwards, it's working. Yes, hello? Mm-hmm. Of course, no problem. Sure, sure, no worries. I'll double check that. Thank you for letting me know. Thank you, you too. Bye bye. Alrighty. Okay, guys, so I guess I'm not. Oh, 1 second. Getting another call. Yes, hello? Okay, no worries. I'll log in and I'll check everything. No worries. Yep. Thank you. Bye bye. Yeah. So that's how it is when you are on call. Anyways, so as you can see right now, I'm turning and doing the back fist easier. Okay. So pow. Backs. And there is some work on it, but I'm gonna have to make it faster, and some way I think that has exit time is killing me. I'm gonna have to fix that probably. Let me see this. Let me stop the script, get back to this, and has exit time is not there. This one has an exit time, yeah. So just by doing this, you reduce this thing immediately, like makes faster.
Round 1. Fight.
Okay, so you see right now, boom, hit, I'm jumping, and it's okay. You know, here and there you might end up doing that. Not a big loss in my opinion. So mostly when the jump is already occurring, you cannot do it, and that's the important part. Or when you are in the air, the jump just finished, then you can do it. So yeah, I add that today. So we could go to this guy, and obviously like hitting like this, I have another script that pushes my guy a little forward, but I'm gonna keep that for later. And also I'm gonna have to add activating my hand. So when I hit this dude, and also I want to just move forward when this is happening, because obviously like, you cannot just hit like standing in the same place. But I don't want to move with the animation. I'm gonna move my own dude forward with his gizmos, which is, I showed you before, but here it is. So you see, I want to move this whole box forward, which I will be of course taking care of. So for now we have a back hit. You see, like when I'm hitting, you see those gizmos activating. I need to make sure that that is happening for my hit as well, because my hand has to activate that piece of round thing. That's the one that is actually connecting to the enemy. Bam, you see, bam. And maybe right now it's too big, but those are the tweaks that I will be taken care of later, and you would be surprised and thinking, what the hell is this whole thing? For now, this is working based on those things are stopping it. So this guy and this guy both have this type of thing, and whenever you hit this collider, that's how they call it, this dude is stopping, it's not going any forward. And there is other colliders that if I try to jump on his head, you see it's pushing my guy back, which has to be tweaked as well. So for now, this is what I want to share with you. Obviously I have to log into my system now because my workplace called me and there is something going on. I am on call. So after I take care of those issues on call, I'll jump back and we can continue. I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll see you later on. As you see those gizmos from the feet too, look, bam. Fun. Anyways, thank you for being with me. I appreciate all the moments, and I'll see you later in a bit after I'm done fixing other issues on production. Thank you guys.